Hi guys, it's Tony bringing you another description. Today we're looking at Smedley's baked beans, one of your 5 a day. So that's what's on the back. Alright, so it's 49% beans, tomatoes, 33% water, sugar, modified maize, starch, salt, white wine, vinegar, herbs, extract, spice extract, and onion powder and paprika. Alright, so let's crack on, get it opened. Now, I don't know if you watched that quote video I did yesterday on was it spaghetti hoops? Because at the moment I'm eating, I've been given all these tins and I'm just going through them all, guys. So what I thought is, like I say, I might as well show you what's about. Right, so let's cook that up. 415 gram this one, slightly bigger. Heat gently while stirring, do not boil. Alright, cool. Right, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, so these are pretty much done. Alright, so they look okay, so I'm going to try them out. You know me, taste test Tony. No, right. Yeah, they're pretty good. I do like them. I would say definitely recommend them. Yeah, Smedley's baked beans, very nice indeed. If you see them about, guys, they just taste tomato-y. They've got the right amount of sugar in them. I mean, obviously they've added sugar, but they haven't overly done it. They've got the right amount. I mean, they don't look particularly, but they taste really nice. So yeah, recommend them. Let's quick look at that, guys. Family favourites since 1925. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like if you like this type of videos. Thanks for coming along. Catch you later.